Next, Hollow Creek Industrial Plant. Dave, Brock and his team, Jenna, Marcus, and Olivia, arrive at the long-abandoned Hollow Creek Industrial Plant. The gate creaks open by itself. Factory floor. Dave, the team explores the factory, rusted machinery, strange symbols on walls. Jenna takes photos. Olivia speaks of mysterious disappearances. Brock's flashlight flickers. Brock, group up, stay close. Locker hallway. Later, Brock finds Jenna's camera on the ground. It clicks on its own. Black liquid oozes from the walls. Marcus, we need to go. Now, a monstrous shape drags Marcus away. Brock, run. Control room. Continuous monitors flicker to life. One shows live footage of Brock and Olivia, but something tall and faceless lurks behind them. Assembly line. Later, machines turn on. Broken mannequins with stitched mouths crawl toward them. Brock fights them off, but more appear. Stairwell. Later, they find a staircase and descend into an underground chamber, where twisted human-like figures float in bats. A hulking, stitched creature approaches. Boiler room. Continuous, a living machine pulses with energy, cables feeding into the walls. Bodies, including Jenna and Marcus, are fused into it. Brock opens a door embedded in the machine's heart. The void. Brock and Olivia are thrown into darkness. Olivia is torn apart and vanishes. Brock sinks deeper, his mind slipping away. Factory lobby. Again, Brock wakes up in the factory lobby. The sky outside is blood red. The factory is no longer just a building, it's a living world. Shifting factory core. Brock's body twists as it fuses with the factory. Black tendrils emerge from his skin. The mechanical heart throbs. Brock screams, but no sound comes out. A new face forms in the factory's walls. Next, dead town of Hollow Creek. Eternal twilight. The factory hums on, silent, patient, waiting for its next victim. The end.